Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll show you the top 5 best bench grinders for 2025. These tools are great for sharpening, grinding, and shaping metal. Perfect for home use, workshops, or pro jobs. Each grinder on this list is powerful, safe, and easy to use. We picked them for their value, quality, and user reviews. No matter your skill level, there's something here for you. All product links are in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. One BG4282 8-inch bench grinder. The One BG4282 bench grinder is great for sharpening tools, fixing old blades, or cleaning metal. It comes with a strong 4.8 amp motor that spins the wheels up to 3,450 RPM. This speed helps remove rust and smooth rough edges fast. This grinder includes two 8-inch wheels. One is 60 grit for general jobs, and the other is 36 grit for heavier work. The 5/8-inch arbor fits most grinding wheels. The machine also includes pivoting tool rests to help you work at different angles. A big plus is the LED lights built into the eye guards. These lights help you see your work clearly. The eye guards are adjustable, so they don't block your view. This keeps your hands and eyes safe while you grind. The cooling tray is another useful feature. It lets you dip your tools in water during grinding. This keeps them from getting too hot and warping. It's a simple way to protect your tools. The grinder's size is 14 by 10 by 11.75 inches, and it comes in black and orange. It runs on AC power and is easy to set up on any workbench. It's a 2021 model, built for quiet and smooth operation. Changing wheels is easy with its quick remove guards. Plus, WEN offers a 2-year warranty and good customer support. They also keep spare parts in stock, so you can always keep your grinder running. The One BG4282 saves you money by fixing old tools instead of replacing them. It's a smart choice for your workshop. Remember when your tools were sharp and worked well? With WEN, you can bring them back to life. Number 4. SKL 8-inch bench grinder. The SKL 8-inch bench grinder is perfect for sharpening tools, cleaning metal, and smoothing rough edges. It has a 3.0 amp motor that gives steady power for even grinding. This means your tools stay sharp and ready to use. It comes with 2 wheels, one medium and one coarse. Use them to grind many types of materials, from dull blades to welded joints. The wheels are strong and made to last through tough jobs. To keep your tools cool, the grinder has a built-in water tray. Just dip your workpiece in the tray during grinding. This helps prevent heat damage and makes your work safer. The LED work light over both wheels helps you see clearly. Even in low light, your workspace stays bright. It also has magnified eye shields that protect your eyes from sparks and dust while giving you a better view. The grinder includes adjustable tool rests with V-grooves. These help you line up your tools the right way for more accurate grinding. The pre-drilled base makes it easy to mount the grinder to a stand or workbench. The Skill BI 9502-00 bench grinder is great for home workshops and garages. It's simple to use, safe, and built to last. With strong features and a compact design, it's a smart tool for any DIY user. Number 3. Woodskill 6-inch bench grinder. The Woodskill 6-inch bench grinder is a great tool for sharpening and grinding. It runs on a strong 2.8 amp motor, spinning at 3,450 RPM. This high speed makes it easy to smooth, shape, or sharpen tools fast. It comes with 2 grinding wheels, a 36 grit for rough jobs and a 60 grit for fine work. These aluminum oxide wheels handle many types of metal. Whether you're fixing blades or cleaning parts, this grinder gets the job done. The solid steel base has pre-drilled holes to keep the grinder steady. This gives you a smooth, wobble-free grinding experience. It's built to stay in place while you work. For safety, it includes clear eye shields and spark arresters. These protect your eyes from sparks and flying debris. The shields also help you see clearly while grinding. This grinder is CSA certified, which means it meets safety standards. It's a good choice for home users and hobbyists who want a reliable, easy-to-use tool. The bright yellow color also makes it easy to spot in any workshop. If you need a small, strong, and safe grinder, the Woodskill 6-inch bench grinder is a smart pick. It helps you sharpen tools and save time. Number 2. Bucktool TLG 150S bench grinder. The Bucktool TLG 150S bench grinder is built for careful and accurate grinding. It runs on a 1/3 HP motor and spins at 1750 RPM, which is slower than high-speed grinders. This lower speed helps you work with more control. It comes with 2 grinding wheels. One is a 60 grit brown aluminum oxide wheel, and the other is an 80 grit white aluminum oxide wheel. These wheels work well on many types of materials, from metal tools to small parts. The cast aluminum base has rubber feet to keep the grinder steady. This design reduces shaking while you work, giving you better results. The adjustable work rest can be moved easily without tools for quick setup. For safety, it includes a clear eye shield and a spark arrestor. These keep your eyes safe from sparks and debris. You can see your work clearly without worry. This grinder measures 15 by 13.8 by 8.3 inches and runs on corded electric power. It's a great choice for people who want clean, detailed grinding. The low speed makes it perfect for sharpening blades or polishing edges. If you need a quiet, safe, and stable bench grinder, the Bucktool 6-inch low-speed grinder is a smart pick. It helps you get sharp, smooth results every time. Number 1. Oregon 410-120 bench grinder. The Oregon 410-120 bench grinder is perfect for sharpening chainsaw chains. It's made for people who cut wood often, whether at home or on the job. You can mount it on a bench or wall, making it great for any garage or workshop. This grinder works with almost all chain types, including brands like Steel, Husqvarna, and Oregon. It sharpens up to 0.404-inch pitch chains, which covers most saws. This means you don't have to buy new chains often. Just sharpen the old ones and save money. The manual chain vise holds your chain in place, while the one-way motor helps keep you safe. The grinder is strong but small, with a 0.193 HP motor and a size of 15 by 8 by 11 inches. It's easy to use and doesn't take up much space. It comes with everything you need: 2 sharpening wheels, 3.2 millimeters and 4.7 millimeters, a 6.0 millimeters flat disc for depth gauges, a dressing brick, and a profile guide. These tools help keep your chain sharp and even. The grinding wheels are high quality and don't burn the chain. They give a clean, smooth finish every time. You also get full instructions to help you set it up and use it right. If you want to sharpen your own chains and stop buying new ones, the Oregon 120V bench grinder is a smart choice. It's simple, safe, and built to last.